I'm gonna place it on there and then we will start styling. Okay, so here is the coffee table with the glass placed on there. Here, look how thick this is. So this is how it looks. Let me go back here so you can see it this way. All right, so it's definitely different vibe. I'm still the chrome and the glass. I was gonna do mirrored, but I thought it would be too much. But I still may go back and readdress getting a mirrored one instead of this one. But that glass is so heavy, so large, so heavy. Okay, so this is how it's looking with the mirror tray placed on there. Now, okay, here it is, just with the mirrored tray and the few items that I placed there. All right, so how cute is that? I just placed these rhinestone dice that I found at like Home Goods during the holiday season, and this candle, this cloche actually went with a jewelry. It was a jewelry cloche, but I just used it as a candle holder, just to style. And I was so inspired to create this. I follow a lady named Kimberly Compone, and she had one of her tables styled with the flowers, something similar. So I just got inspired and created this little faux arrangement right here. So this is what I have. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my coffee table books and we should be done. Okay, so here's my coffee table books here, and I just placed that blue box with the rhinestone swan on there. It's actually functional. It does have like remotes and stuff in there. So this is how it's looking. I know the books may be too much, but I really love having books on the table. So when people sitting down, you can actually look through them. People do actually look through those books, believe it or not. Whenever they're over, like when my mom and things was over, she actually looked through those books. So it's a conversation starter, definitely, for sure. So I just like having books there. And I brought my kitchen chair in here just to get a feel for things, but I'm really loving it. So I may add a few chairs in here, maybe one or two. But let me give you an overall view of everything. So here is what the table looks like from the back side. Nice and clean. You can get the coffee table books, and then you just have the tray. Step back, and then you have the couch. So that looks good right here. Yeah, I moved that box from here when the box usually is here, but I put that chair to see what it looks like. But everything is cute. All right, so it is official. Here is the coffee table. My final thoughts about it. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually keep this table. It's really nice, so clean and modern and chic. But it was a bit pricey, like a lot. And so I'm not quite sure if I'm really loving it for the price. Now, if it was a little cheaper, I definitely would consider keeping it. But there we go. Look at it. It's really cute. but I'm definitely going to send it back. I'm working on that at the moment. It just came in and I already called the company back. This coffee table did come from Fashion Home. I will link it below. It did actually have a price increase since I just purchased mine just a few weeks ago. But anyways, nonetheless, it is a beautiful table. But just like I said, for the price, I'd rather get a mirrored one or something a little more bang for my buck, as you would say. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you guys are on a hunt, definitely check out Fashion Home for a, you know, you're styling your home. Is more, it puts me in the mind of like a Z Gallery, maybe even a little bit more pricier than a Z Gallery, but nonetheless, it's here. Well, if you guys enjoyed this coffee table unboxing and styling, make sure you give me a big thumbs up so I know to continue to bring content like this. I really do appreciate each and every last one of you. Thank you so very much for rocking out with me. I love how this little flower arrangement came out. It looks so good. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.